Hi, Humberto Gomez here. Today I'm going to show you a great opportunity for those that are looking to buy a property with an income potential. Actually, this one is a legal duplex, and also it has the potential for you to have your in-laws, your parents, or your grown-up children to live in the same home, but independently. Let me show you the inside for you to check it out. But before, let me tell you also the location is really great because it's very close to downtown. It's only a couple of minutes from the expressway. It's close to shopping and all the amenities that you require to have a very convenient life. Okay, let's go inside and check it out. You can see there's a big porch right by the entrance where you can hang your coats, your boots, so you don't have to bring everything inside the house, especially in these winter days. Look at this, how nice it looks, how clean. It's a move-in ready property, so you can just move in and enjoy. Here's the dining area, and from here there is a sunroom where you can use as a gym if you want. There's a two-piece washroom on the main floor. Yeah. See, this is the kitchen. Look how bright this is. Stainless steel appliances. Now let's see the upper level. Here, this is one of the bedrooms. Behind the headboard, there is storage space. Here is a closet. This is the master bedroom. See, you can see how bright this is. And this is the main washroom. That's really nice, isn't it? Here. Now let's see the lower unit. I forgot that there is a garage. This garage can be used as a workshop. Very nice and cozy. Here's one bedroom. There's a second bedroom that is being used as a living room, as a TV room. And here's the full washroom. And the laundry area is right here. So it comes with its own laundry. Look at the size of the backyard.